How to begin an application online. After creating a ny.gov ID and signing into your New York State of Health account, you can begin your application. Since you set up your own account, you will not have an invitation code. If you had set up your account with a New York State of Health representative or certified enrollment assister, you would have received an invitation code to enter here. As we've created our own account, please select No. After reading and agreeing to the rules of behavior, click the checkbox and then select Next to continue. Fill out the following questions so New York State of Health can confirm your identity. If you require a broker, navigator, or application counselor, select Yes or No here. After selecting I agree with the general privacy attestation, click Next. Answer the personal identifying information questions provided, and then click Next. Now that you've verified your identity, you can set up an authorized representative or continue to complete your application. Visit nystateofhealth.ny.gov to enroll in or renew your health coverage today.